Hello, and today I'm at Barking Station, located on the London Tilbury and Southend main line, the GOBLIN line, and also the London Underground District and Hammersmith and City lines. Talking to GOBLIN, we have a Class 710 terminating now from Gospel Oak. I'll try and get no numbers for you. 257 on that one. The 710 will see that departing very soon. So service is seen here by London Underground, London Overground, and C2C as well. So let's see what turns up here at Barking. 21536 has turned up on a district line service bound for Wimbledon. I'm just heading to my favourite part of this station, just a spit down here which has the best views across all the lines. As a district line for Richmond is also starting here. This is strange. Got Upminster to Wimbledon services and Barking to Richmond services. As also arrived in here, we have a CTC Class 357 going from Grays via Rainham to London Fenchurch Street. Catch this one when it goes out. Alright, getting ready to head off now is said C2C service bound for London Fenchurch Street from Grays via Rainham. Also with a district line service. Three 57003 is going from Grays to Fenchurch Street. I remember the district line from here was the first tube line I used up since the first lockdown. That was been in August last year. As it heads up the steep incline towards East Ham. Alright, arriving in now we have 357030 bound for Shoebury from London Fenchurch Street. 357-3 at the rear. Catch this one when it goes out. This is one of the fast services. There's a Wimbledon bound district line service departs 21357 even. Also getting ready to depart now should be the 1533 C2C service to Shoebury. 215358 at the river, as there's another district line service arrives in. Come on, you should have left a minute ago. Right, parting out now is the first 1535 C2C service going from London Fenchurch Street to Shoebury. Calling out Upminster, Leydon, Basildon, Benfleet, Leigh-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Westcliff-on-Sea, Southend Central, Southend East, Fort Bay and Shoebury. With the 1621 which will arrive in. 357324 on the reverse one. We also have another S7 stop which looks like it's formed a Hammersmith and City line service from Upminster. Because obviously it's got no destination, or just the driver hasn't set it yet. And yes, this is a Hammersmith and City line, but it looks like it's just come from the sidings, not from Upminster. Actually, this tube strike is finished. It would be silly if they were doing those runs still. Next stop, East Ham. Alright, arriving in now is the 1539 C2C service going from Southend Central to London Fenchurch Street, which is 357002. Catch this one when it goes out. As also arriving in now is 1539 C2C service to Grays via Rainham. 357024 leads this one. Uh, 710257 also departs on the 1539 London Overground service to Gospel Oak. 357002 departs on this service going from Southend Central to London Fenchurch Street. The 357328 bringing up the rear. Alright, spotting out now is the Grey service. Calling at Dagenham Dock, Raynham, then Purfleet 357017 at the way. Not too sure on the calling points of that one. I'll work it out. It's fine, you have an upwards to Richmond district line. Up 21, 540 and 539, going from Upminster to Richmond there. As arriving is the 710, you might just be able to see that behind the Wimbledon train. See if you can get the numbers of this one, it's pretty old. 710271 is on this one. Which just terminated in from Gospel Oak. As arriving there is the 1546 C2C service going from Shoeburyness S to London Fenchurch Street, operated by a Class 357. We can clearly see this in the CCTV screens. And then, behind us, 357203 leads this one bound for London Fenchurch Street. We'll catch the rear as it goes out. Alright, spotting out now is the 1546 C2C service going from Shoeburyness to London Fenchurch Street. The 357209 on the rear. That one call it West Ham, Limehouse, and finally London Fenchurch Street at bang on 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can't speak today, can I? It's coming in out the 1548 C2C service to Shoeburyness. Also, all normal Shoeburyness service on a weekday run via Leyden. 357034 as well on this one. Right, spotting out now, it's the C2C service bound for Shoeburyness. 1549 service. Calling at Upminster, West Horndon, Leyden, Basildon, Pitsea, Benfleet, Leigh-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Westcliff-on-Sea, Southend Central, Southend East, Fort Bay and Shoeburyness. 1638. On 480 and 479 there bound for Richmond. Those ones appear to have started here because they've been sat here for quite a while. Alright, it's spotting out now on platform 1, it's the 1554 London Overground service to Gospel Oak, starting here. From 2022, these services may be extended as far as Barking Riverside, just a short distance from here. Is it really? Okay, 710-271. Say head off for their next stop at Woodgrange Park. There's even another tube stop coming in. As also arriving in is the 1556 C2C service going from London Fenchurch Street to Pitsea, running via Ockenden. 357028 London to Southend Main Line. livery. Or it's a nameplate even. The CTC livery. 357005, Southend City of Culture. Alternative City of Culture, 2007. The big Union Jack on it as well. I don't think Southend's particularly cultural, is it? As what's this one got on its destination? That one's got a nonsensical destination, but that appears to say Ealing Broadway. Anyway, arriving now is going to be the final train of the day, the 1557 CTC service going from Shoebury and S to London Fenchurch Street, which will be my ride down to West Ham. 357009 is going to lead this one in. That just about sums up my time here at Barking. I really do hope you've enjoyed. It's been a short visit, but it's been a jam-packed one. If you did enjoy what you see here, then do click the like button down below and do consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. It's that nonsensical district line departs. So yes, see you in another video. Bye everyone.